Hello lovely people of YouTube and welcome to our channel. Today we have this beautiful shiny crepe cloth stretched over the bamboo embroidery hoops from Pony, and we are going to make some beautiful roses on this cloth. So let's get started. So for this I'm using a regular pen to mark my roses. I just want to do 2 circles, so I'm just going to mark 2 concentric circles over here. And this is my bigger circle. So this is going to be my rose. Now it is okay if this ink is permanent because it is not going to be visible later once we embroider around this rose. So it is fine if it is little crooked, little not exactly circle. So let's do 2 more. Now to embroider, I have these Pony black needles. This is chenilles, and these are long-eyed and sharp point needle, specially made for surface embroidery. Now why do I need long-eyed? Because I'm going to use all the strands of the embroidery floss. So I will need a bigger eye to get it through this. Alright. For the embroidery floss, we can choose any colors from the 18 colors that come in this kit box. These are total 36, so 2 bundles of each colors will be there inside, and there are many different colors inside. So let's pick any 3 of this. I am going to pick red, and let's pick this pretty pink, and let's pick one more which is a little white, creamish white. So I will give you the exact numbers or shades for this. This is C001, the pink one is C024, and the red one is C096. So let's use these 3 colors. So I have taken this red floss, all 6 strands of it. I have thread through the needle and I have made a knot at one end of it. Now I am going to pull through the bottom on the central circle, anywhere, it's absolutely fine. And then I'm going to go right across, pulling just a little to the side from once again the central circle. So let's go at the bottom one. So we'll come up somewhere around here from the central circle. So these are our 5 lines. We will come up at once again the central circle, anywhere. Now we will use the back side of the needle to go under one line and over one line. So if the first line we are going to get under, the second line we are going to get over, the third under, fourth over, and we are going to repeat this. Once you finish all the thread, now thread at the base of any one of it and just tie a knot at the back like we regularly do. So this is our first rose. Let's do one more with this pink color. Let me get another needle from the packet. Tie a knot at one end, and once again do a very similar thing. We'll come up from the bottom. We'll do 5 lines. And once done, we'll come up at any one point in the inner circle and just start threading through under and over this one, under this one, and over the next one, under the next one, and we'll keep on doing this pattern until we have our entire rose. Now if you run out of thread before you can complete the entire thing, what you do is you just pull under one and then you can tie a knot at the back side. And we can then start at the same point with new thread. Now if we want to be a little more creative here, we can change color at this juncture. So for example, I have this red thread here, so I can just tie a knot at one end, start exactly where we left and start going over and under with this color. So this will be a two-tone rose. See how pretty that looks? So let me finish it up and come back and show you how it looks. So I went ahead and made the third rose as well, and now I have this orange embroidery floss with me. The number is C019. I am going to take some from this to embroider the central part of the rose. You can also take yellow colored ones if you like that. I'm going to thread this through the same needle and like previously make a knot at the end. Now we are going to take it up from the bottom of any rose, the central part. Then we are going to turn the needle upside down, wrap the embroidery floss around the needle twice or thrice and place it very near to the place where it came up and just place it below. So once again, wrap the thread around it. We'll do one more here. We will do the same thing for the other two roses. Let's do the same thing to the third rose as well. That's it. Let's tie it off. And here are our three roses. We can do a little leaf embroidery right over here or make a beautiful design out of this. Maybe make a square and write birthday wishes between. Options are endless. So I hope you like this. I hope you make your own roses, make your own designs, and let me know if you want to learn how to make the leaves. Share your creations with us, follow us, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.